Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your missing stickers, polls, filter on Instagram. Now remember, some filters, stickers are only available in some countries. So basically there are some filters and stickers, as I said. So let's say it's only available in USA and you live in India. Then it's not going to be available even if you do anything. The only thing you can do is go to USA in order to use that filter, alright? So now remember, these are the criteria you need to remember, alright? Now let's say the filter is available on your friend's phone but it's not available in your phone. Well, then by watching this video you guys can find the filter which is missing on the phone or your sticker, poll or anything. Alright, so follow the step. Once you're over here, I'm just gonna click a random photo and click on the sticker icon with a smile with its bottom right corner a bit folded at the top. Click on it, and over here, if you don't see anything you're searching for over here at the top, you can see the search bar. You can click on it and type the name. So let's say I was searching for poll. I can write POLL, poll, and it's going to be shown over here. Now remember, sometimes searching for a sticker and the sticker not being displayed over here, it could also mean that your internet is slow. So make sure to check if your internet is slow or not. For that, you can just load a random website. Alright, so I'm just going to load a random website. So if your website loads up quickly, then it's good. But if it takes 5 minutes or like 3 minutes just to load a simple website, then it's your internet connection that's slow. So make sure your internet connection is fast. So when you search for some stickers, it's going to be shown over here instantly. And even after having a strong internet connection and searching for the sticker over here, it's still not being shown. Then what you can do is, so I'm just going to go back from the story. Click on the 3 line at the top. Go on setting. Go on account. Scroll all the way down and click on versus switch to professional account. Now remember, when you switch to professional account, you're gonna have 3 types of account in Instagram: personal, creator and business. And some stickers are only available for personal, some are only available for business, and some are only available for creator account. So you gotta switch from account to account in order to access those features. Alright, and even after switching into all those accounts, you're still not able to find that sticker. Then what you can do is delete your Instagram and reinstall it again.